Well, 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 what do we have here? Looks like we have a 1314 California Special. Got some Shelby wheels, deep impact blue, some Corsas. Sheesh. Joel, for those people that don't know, why don't you just show us your car?
Got a Gen 2 surprise in here for you, but it's not the Gen 2 motor. So let me show you what that's all about.
So we're about to see this Gen 2 Whipple's all about. I will say it's a gorgeous blower. The thing looks awesome.
I like it because it looks like it belongs there.
Yeah, it really does. I definitely like the design. I like how the pulley like is offset right there. I really like that, and you can fit your little cross brace up there. But how have you been liking it?
I love it. I love it. I did pulley down on it, so that's why it has...
Wait. How many times did we pull it down?
I'm not talking about all that right now. Let's say more than 2, less than 4, okay?
Ultimately, this thing is probably pushing about 15 or 16 pounds of boost, realistically.
On pump gas.
And are you running Boostain in the car right now?
Am I? No. Right. Today, I'm not.
No Boostain in the car? Okay. What size pulley we got on there? 3.125. And what did you originally have on the car? Was it the biggest one?
Yeah, 3.7.
Gosh. So yeah, you definitely stepped down in pulley size. From what you last told me, you're rocking the Rib Tech or Grip Tech pulley.
If you look at a normal pulley, they're just smooth and painted. With the Grip Tech, they have like they've been machined and like a little rough
to hold on. Right. Have you noticed a big difference with it?
Yes.
Really?
My belt does not slip at all, and if you've noticed, it winds a lot more.
It does. That I have noticed. I have noticed it.
Now, is it going to be good for me at the end of the day? I don't know. It does what it's supposed to do. Let's put it that way.
How much power did it put down with that dyno tune, and what pulley were you on? Do you remember?
The 3.2, and it put down 715.
715 wheel.
716.
Yeah. So ultimately, you're probably, I would say, like what, between 725 and 730 with the smaller pulley and Boostain, of course. Right. I would imagine. This thing's no joke, man, and it looks good. It looks really good. You definitely have the like very, I don't want to say stock, but it's like a nice clean. You're not cutting into your car or anything like that, like a lot of people do.
I could go back to stock.
Exactly. And you said this is the Gen 2? Dang.
I think Gen 3 is when they changed the top, this part, when they went to like the different blades. I don't need that.
Yeah, I really don't. You are full exhaust from Cook's long tube headers. What's your mid pipe?
Mid pipe is the Cook's also.
And then to the Corsa Extreme single tips.
And then it still has resonators.
And the high flow cats, correct?
Yeah, it has high flow cats.
Okay, yeah, this thing's still insanely loud.
And then the newest baby that I should have got years ago.
Oh yeah, the JLT catch can?
Okay, yep.
Nice. Well, I know you got the Whipple and all. We're kind of running 2 different setups, 2 different companies that are at war with each other, which, you know, you and I we don't talk to each other. We just enjoy the cars for what they are. But Joel is rocking, as you just saw, the Whipple supercharger, a very well respected brand, and I am actually running its, what would you say? It's like,
I guess it's just competitor.
Just straight up competitor. Like, these two are always bashing each other. But we went ahead, and for those of you that have been on the channel, you obviously know we just recently got the VMP Gen3R and some hood struts. It feels good. Look at this, like no hood prop. So a little rundown on my car, VMP Gen3R, and it's VMP's newest and, you know, greatest kit when it comes to fitment and their intercooler. You can see here I'm also running the JLT catch can, kind of sits in the back there. As far as the pulley size, we are running an 88mm pulley. This pulley is the second biggest one you can run on this blower. This blower is super efficient and is kind of overkill for this car. You can see we have the JLT cold air intake and with VMP's massive twin blade throttle body there. I wanted to go ahead and bring you guys this video because they obviously wanted a video of our cars together. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna take them out, romp the streets a little bit, but you and I are both in the same situation right now with our stock clutches. You made 715 wheel on Boostain, mine made 721. They are honestly right hand in hand together, and I'm having terrible clutch problems. It's not gonna stop us from having some fun though, so it should be a fun little video for you guys just to get an idea. Other than the VMP Gen3R blower, I am actually on stock headers. You have a catless X pipe to Corsa Extreme quads, and I know it is a problem if you are running like factory cats while boosting your car. That is like a huge no-no due to the fact that all the back compression and pop. Should be good with that, but what do you say, man? How about we jump on these things? Let's give these viewers a fun little cruise. Whipple charged, VMP charged, and again, there is no, between Joel and I, there is no like, oh, you're slow, I'm faster. We don't really give a shit about that. We just like to have fun with the cars. It's exactly what we're gonna do, so give us a couple revs up front. Jeez, that thing sounds insane. So we are gonna hop in the cars, as I just mentioned, and take a little joyride. Tell you what, that California Special thing is gorgeous. This parking deck is so bumpy, look at this. Look at his car. Tell you what though, perfect weather. I mean, it is a little warm. It's still 90 degrees, but it was 96 earlier, so I'm not complaining. That is so intoxicating and one easy way to get in trouble. Hey, you look goofy as hell.
Yep, you sure do too.
I'm going cross-eyed over here. That thing sounds like a freaking jet. Hey, you're whining like crazy.
She a little bitch right now.
How many people you think we've pissed off already?
That one in front of us for sure.
Oh yeah?
If she was behind me, then she pulled in front, then you pulled in front of her.
They'll be all right.
Your car's more noticeable, mine.
Oh, GTR. Don't you think about it.
You know what you think about it?
You get us arrested.
Be a good video.
I was gonna see if he was gonna jump by blipping it. What a beautiful day it is for this though, honestly. I miss doing this car stuff. Oh that's a Supra right there. What is that, like the MK4 Supra or something? That's pretty crazy. Look at that. America. One flag there, one flag there. He gone. Well, we just made it back to the house, and that was actually really fun. Absolutely love getting the car out there and stretching its legs. Joel's car is a freaking beast, and this car is freaking hot. Let this thing air out a bit. Whew. Got to stretch their legs a little bit. Yeah. And I know what you guys are thinking. You really want us to see us lining it up, and it's definitely going to happen. Like I said, you have a McLeod, or
to put in, yeah.
You have a McLeod clutch. I have a Vengeance clutch to throw in the car. I don't know about you, but mine stuck hard. I revved it out to 75 or 73, shifted into fourth, and my freaking pedal was on the floor again.
No, my pedal was fine, but it was RPM lockout. I couldn't.
Oh, yeah.
You'll see it in the thing.
We're definitely going to make it happen, fam. Anyway, make sure you check out Joel on Instagram. It's right here into my GT. Actually, I can use the plug with the license plate. Boom, go follow him. Guys, is there anybody else you want us to grab into the group and we'll just go drive, have some fun, and, you know, film some videos like this? But old Lucifer did good. We're definitely going to have to throw her on a VMP Mustang tune when we go against Joel, because that thing is rowdy as hell. It makes about 700 wheel now the way it sits on just regular 93 octane tune. With the Mustang tune, I'm actually at 722, so, you know, pick up a little bit of power, and we're gonna want every bit we got against that thing once we decide to line them up and race. Can't be out here getting in trouble, though. We lose the license, we lose the channel, essentially, so just gotta respect it and not play with fire too much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time. It's gonna be a little weird doing this outro like this. Until next time, we'll see you later.